Hello, I'm Stu with Productive Computing, demonstrating the gManipulator plugin, the easiest way to take control of Google Mail, Contacts, Calendar, and Tasks with your FileMaker solution. This video demonstrates how simple it is to install, register, and set up the gManipulator plugin. It is assumed you have already downloaded the installer package from the website. Simply open the installer package, and you'll notice right away that there are even extras that have some files and an uninstall tool. We are going to click the Install gManipulator. It's a standard installation that you walk through and agree to the license. And we have success. This will place a folder, probably on your desktop, of the demo file. When we open that, there are a few options. We're going to go into the demo folder and do the client side, and we have our free demo file. Since we use the installer package, we don't need to click the install button. We can verify the plugin is installed by going to Preferences and clicking on Plugins and see that it is checked along with additional information. Now you are ready for registration. To register, simply click the Register button, and we get a confirmation message. A registration result of 0 shows that it was successful. When you purchase a license for the plugin, you'll put that in this field here, and then click Register again. This will eliminate the splash screen every time you open FileMaker, and also eliminate the timer restrictions of 2 hours of continuous use. Now we are ready for authentication. Simply click the Authenticate button. The first time you go through authentication, you have to choose which Gmail account or Google account that you might want to connect. Many people have multiple ones, so you would choose which one you want, and then it will give an additional confirmation of connecting with mail, contacts, calendars, and tasks, which you will allow, and you will get this confirmation screen and that the demo has successfully authenticated. Notice you now have the disconnect button up here. This is because Google stores that authentication information so you won't see their window again. Closing FileMaker or your computer does not disconnect the authentication. Notice when we click Authenticate again that the Google screen does not come up, simply the confirmation within the demo file. If you specifically want to disconnect so you can choose a different account, then you would just click the Disconnect button. That's it. In just a few minutes, you can be getting all the benefits of having control of your Google Suite info with your FileMaker solution. This means all of your information is available and accurate on any device that accesses your Google information. This is just a small sample of the possibilities. The fully unlocked demo includes the complete developer's guide and function list, so you can dive in as deep as you like. Check out the other videos on how the gManipulator plugin works seamlessly with the other aspects of Google accounts, or click the Buy Now to start saving time and money with gManipulator. If you want more detailed training, head to Productive Computing University to learn as much as possible, as fast as possible, to decrease the learning curve and really save time and money and make the most of this amazing plugin.